Hello friends, quickly we will recollect all the important problems from Essay 1 syllabus. First chapter, real numbers. In real numbers, we can expect 4 marks question in this format. Prove root 3 is irrational number. Or they may ask root 5 is irrational number or root 7 is irrational number. So this is one of the important a long answer question. You can find this answer in textbook example problem. In example problem, they have given us root 2 is irrational number. And you can also expect root 2 plus root 3 is also irrational number. 2 by root 3 is also irrational number. This type of questions are very important for upcoming essay 1 exam. And this you can find this answer in the textbook example problem, students. And another important question in real numbers is Euclid division lemma related problems. They will give find the HCF of 9 and 6. We all know that Euclid division lemma is A is equal to BQ plus R. Use in this format and find HCF. You can also have example problems, terminating and non-terminating decimal related question and logarithms. Second chapter is sets. So in sets, this is the one of the most important problem for 4 marks. They will give in set builder form x such that x is a natural number less than 6. We all know the natural number less than 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. 6 is not included because it is less than 6. So B is x is the prime number divisor of 60. C odd number less than 10. We all know that odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You have to stop there because they are asked in less than 10. D such that even number which is the divisor of 48. So what are the multiples of 48? The two even numbers only we have to pick. So first we have to convert this set builder form into rooster form, then find A union B. We all know that A union B is nothing but the combination of elements in A and B put together, we will get A union B. A B intersection C means the elements which are in B and C which are common. I mean like the elements which are common in both B and C is nothing but intersection. A minus D. When we subtract two set, students, common elements cancel and the elements which are remaining in first set you have to write. So such type of set builder form and finding A union B, B intersection C are very important for 4 marks. Expect this from. Venn diagram problems, set builder and rooster form problems are also important for 2 marks. So moving on to the chapter polynomials, one graph is definite question, either cubic polynomial or a quadratic polynomial. So one graphic compulsory question, please prepare this graph, student. Definite question, either quadratic polynomial or a cubic polynomial. They may change the numbers here. They may give plus 2x plus 7x plus 10 or something with polynomial, quadratic polynomial is equal to not there, students. So we have to draw the graph and find the zeros using graph. So relationship between zeros and coefficient, this is definite question. You can't expect the question paper without this question, students. So first find the zeros and use the sum and product and derive the sum of the roots, which is minus b by a, and product as c by a. So go through the example problem. This is the example problem in textbook, but they may give the change of the question paper. So they change in the number, students, but such type of questions are very important. Take my word, one graph, relationship problem, find the quadratic polynomial. So they may ask for quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial formula we all know, right? So quadratic polynomial formula is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros is the formula for quadratic polynomial. So if sum of zeros, here the zeros, if they're given as 2 and 3, you have to add that zero, students, and multiply. Product means multiplication. X square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial with zeros 2 comma 3. So important question in polynomials is division of polygon. One definite question in exercise 3. Please go through the division polynomial, students. Moving on to the paper 2. In similar triangles, construction of scale factor problem is very important. Either 3 by 5 or 5 by 3 or 4 by 6 or 6 by 4 or 5 by 7, 7 by 5 with given measurements of triangles they will give. So I have the numbers will be changed, students. I have given one link in the description. It is explained in Telugu. Please go through it. one construction problem for 4 marks is compulsory for tomorrow exam. So problems related to BPT and dividing the line in ratio 2 is to 3 or 3 is to 5 is very very important, students. Okay. Moving on to the statistics chapter. In statistics, mean is very important, median, mode. So in group data, they will give one question in mean, median or mode, one or two question, and definite question is Ojev curve. Less than Ojev or more than Ojev is very important. Let me see some problems related to mean. I will just explain mean in quickly. So mean formula is, in step deviation method we will go, students. A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Mode is L plus F1 minus F naught by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. So a group of data, one question out of mean, median or mode is definite for tomorrow exam, student. Similarly, Ojaev curve. So Ojaev curve, you have to draw either more than Ojaev or less than Ojaev is very important for 4 marks. So two questions from statistics, either from mean, median, mode and Oju curve, you can expect for tomorrow exam. To the trigonometry, 2 marks question is, they will give sine A which is 3 by 4, find cos A and tan A. So go through the students. Sine A is 3 by 5 which is opposite by hypotenuse. Take a right angle triangle. A opposite is 3, hypotenuse 5. Using trigonometric triad will get 4 here. Whatever question they ask, you can do it once you know the three sides of a triangle. Cos A is 4 by 5, tan A is 3 by 4 based on this triangle. So one question based on these ratios is definite for tomorrow. They may change the numbers, not exactly the same, but similar problem. One question from angles. Thoroughly read the angles from textbook, students. One question you may get for 2 marks or 1 mark. And such type of question, tan A plus B is equal to root 3, tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, find A and B. So here is the procedure. Just have a glance. Tan A plus B is root 3. Obviously A plus B is 60 because in tan root 3 is for 60. And tan A minus B is given in the question as 1 by root 3. Therefore, A minus B is 30. If you add these two equations, students, you will get A 45 and B 15. So this type of problem is important for tomorrow exam in trigonometry chapter. Show that tan 48, 43, tan 42, tan 47 is 1. And also such type of problem. Tan 2a is equal to cot A minus 18.